going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech. As you can clearly see behind me, this wall is janky, so we need to fix it. So I have a drop cloth here, but that's kind of it. So let's head to Home Depot and get this wall taken care of. All right, so we just completed coat two of the wall. We're gonna do another one tonight, but it is what, like 7:45, so we're extremely hungry. But I don't know, you guys can't see the whole room, I know, but there's a projector right there. I don't know what we're gonna need that for. You're gonna have to wait and find out. Stay tuned. Drop. Alright, so it is an entire week later, and as you can tell, we're still not done. We actually have quite a bit still to do. This took way longer than we thought. So the studio is kind of in shambles. We have drop cloths on the floor, whole mess of crap just over here. But we got a couple things to do. It just takes forever. One, we've got to get a second coat of paint on this whole silhouette. If you look closely, you don't. Somewhere on the edges, it's not perfectly like flat. There's a cap. He's annoying. And we've got a couple of, there's a shelf up here, a couple small shelves. They're gonna have a big shelf over here so we can have some weird crap just sitting behind. And then we've got a wall sticker from Fathead coming. That's gonna come up here with some kind of channel branding, which we're actually really excited about. So appreciate you guys watching this. We'll have a part 2 coming sometime. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.